Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kileigh Nichelle, but you can call me Kai, like hi y'all. So today I'm going to teach you guys how you do your individual lashes. You guys can see I'm due for a fill, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to fill it instead of doing it from the complete start. Let me show you guys what you need first. The first time I did this, it was a fail, but we redeemed ourselves. So, and before I was using like the ones that you get from the hair store, I've upgraded and I'm going to show you the products that you need. So I have these lashes here. This one's from Fat Lash. It's kind of dark if I bring it up really close and it's kind of dirty. Anyways, so I have a set that is a 0.7 C14s for my inner corner. And then I have a 0.7 mixed tray, which I need another one of a C. And then I also bought this CC mixed tray with, it's a 0.5. Didn't notice there was a difference on that one, but this one gives me the curl that I want. You guys can see, you guys can kind of see like I have a slight curl, or it's a deeper curl. The C's are just like more natural curl. And yes, these ones are windy lashes. All that stuff will be in the description box. Then you need your handy dandy tweezers. I got these tweezers from Amazon. They'll be in the description as well. One's curved, one's pointy. Don't really use this one. I use this one more often. Then you can get your professional glue, but girl, I highly don't recommend doing that because I did that the first time I tried it and it was, don't do it. Do not recommend. Use this duo glue. This will also be in the description. I got this from Sally. I used it in my last one, but I learned how to use it now. And then you also want to get some lash cleaner. My lash cleaner is from the Brat House. She's amazing lash tech and she's also my friend. There's cards on how to care for your lashes, and 2 spoolies that come in this bag. So first we're just going to jump off and I need to clean my lashes. You need a fan. I got my fan from Amazon too. So first what I'm just going to do is clean my lashes off really quick, and then I have a mirror in front of me. I have it on the magnifying side. So I'm just going to spritz a little of the lash bath on my spoolie.
And then I'm just going to go in and clean her up. I mean, I should have did this with some water so I can rinse it out. But you know what? I'll just go grab my towel and I'll just use my towel for the time being. You just want to clean it, so I'm just going to clean it. If you just want to jump to how you apply, then I'll put the timestamp so you can just jump and do that.
They're dry enough for the time being, so now I'm just gonna jump into applying my lashes. And I like to put, well, when I first started getting lashes, I like to put 16 on the 16 on the outside, but I upgraded my life and now I kind of do 18s and 20 cc's on the outside, and then I like a cat eye, so I work my way down in the numbers. So that means I do 20, 18, 16, and 14. I only do evens because I like even numbers. So that's how we're going to do it. So we're going to start off, and when you get your lash tray, you basically just have to peel it off. Peel this sticker off. Can you guys see? Peel this sticker off to get your designated lashes off. So I'm just going to peel this off like that because we're working in 20s. And then I'm going to get my glue. Bless you. Get my glue like this. And now we're going to get into applying. So, because I'm a little impatient and I don't have time to sit here all day to apply these lashes, I like to take mine in clumps. When I first started doing it, I did it like one at a time. Girl, we ain't doing that. So what I'm gonna do is, so grip it by the base. Okay, I finally grabbed it and I'm trying to show you guys. This is what it looks like. I'm doing it on my front camera, so that's why it's not focusing, but whatever. So I'm gonna dip my fan into my glue like this. And then I'm going to go over here. I'm going to lift my eye up like this. And I'm going to put it on the corner of my eye. Just like that. And now it's on there. And I'm just going to keep repeating that over and over and over. So you guys can watch, and I'm going to play some music, and I'm going to get these lashes on my eyes. So I'm going to be cute. So watch. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this, well, I'll show you one more time. Let me do it one more time. I got my fan. I'm going to dip it into the glue like this. Then I'm going to take it, lift my eye up, and I'm going to put it right next to the last one. Like that. I use my fan to dry it because I don't want any of that in my eyeball. Learned my lesson the last time. And then keep going. I filled in the 20s on the outside. I'm going to go in at the ends and fill in like the places that have spaces. Now I'm about to go into the 18s and fill in the middle area, and then I'm going to go over into 16s over here, and then I'm going into 14s over here. So this is my 18 fan, and I'm just going to place her right next to that 20, like this. I like to use the tip of the tweezers to like make sure it's secure in my under eyelid. I mean, if you're the type of person that wants to put it on each one, go ahead, but I'm not that type of person. So I just put it under in my under eyelid. So yeah. But I usually like to use the hair store ones in the corner, but I don't know. Something with the hair store. Anyways, this eye is pretty much done. I still have to fill this space and this space before it. And this is my bottom. So that's one eye done. Just gonna brush this out. Just gonna setting the other eye. Mansion sticks and nothing around you. Dallas, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Cause you got desires. I know, I know. This is the finished product. I think I might go shorter next time, but for now, the thing about going shorter next time, that means I have to wait for all of my lashes to like fall off, because at this view, maybe because I don't have anything on my face, I don't know. Maybe it's the way the light is hitting it. Let me see. Okay, yeah, that look better. But yeah, I think I might just go shorter next time. But this is what they look like. This is like my third time doing them. I think I need to add a little. Oh no, it's just the light. That's what they look like on the top. My lashes are very curly, so they curl on top of each other. What can you do? But that is a tutorial on how you do your lashes. Make sure you guys look in the description box so you can find everything you need to do your lashes at home. Make sure you shop ki.nichelle and get you a Kexi robe. Let me stand up so you guys can see the quality. Oh, my knees, girl. I don't got good knees to be doing all that. Anyways, get y'all a robe. The link will be in the description box, so holla at that. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back with some more videos soon, and peace out.